Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through on how to change country in your Apple Store. So if you want to change your country or you want to change your region in your Apple Store, just to make some purchases available on your store, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing to do is to open up your Apple Store. Once you have it open, then tap on your profile icon right here, tap on it. Then after that, tap on your profile name, just tap on it, and this will request for your grant access to your Apple ID settings. So once you have it open, then scroll down to your country and region, country/region, tap on it. Then this also take you down to the hint settings for the Apple ID so that you can change your country or region. Now you can see that for me to be able to change my country and region, I have to click on this option right here, which is to change countries or region. Tap on it. Then now you have to simply navigate to your current country or the country you want to switch to. So I'm just going to scroll down. Then this is my current region. You can see Nigeria. Then if I want to maybe change to another country, for example, maybe United States, precise. All right, where's okay, this is United States. Now just gonna tap on this. Now you have to agree to the terms and conditions laid down by the Apple for you to switch your region. So you have to go through these terms and conditions, which is very important. Then once you're done, then tap on agree. Then once you tap on agree, now right here, now this is where it is very important. Now you have to set up the the billing address or billing method. So for you to do that, this part is not really that important, but you can simply add this if you have the information required, which is can simply provide, if you have PayPal, just link your PayPal as your billing method, or you can add your credit or debit card or MasterCard if you have any of that available, together with a foreign phone number. Then after that, you have to set up the billing address, for example the street the postal code for that particular area you want to you are United States. Then you also select the town. Then it selects the country, which is in United Kingdom. Then you also add the phone number. So all of this information, which is the billing address, once they are valid and it is confirmed by Apple, then tap on next. Then your country will be switched from your current to a new country at which you set your Apple stores to be. And that's how you can simply change your country or region on Apple Store. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.